Let's take a look at how we can assign an assignment within Microsoft Teams. So first, we're going to find the class that we want to assign the homework to. So for this particular example, we're going to go into Physical Sciences, and we're going to click on the Generals channel. Once we've clicked on that, we're going to go ahead and on the top tab bar here, we're going to click on the Assignments tab. From here, we're going to let the page load, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on Create. Now, you have the option to create an assignment or a quiz. For this example, we're going to focus on assignment. From here, we're going to give the assignment a name. So this is going to be our rainforest assignment. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to give some instructions. So now that we've given our students some instructions as to what they're going to be doing with the homework, we're going to go ahead and we're going to click Add Resource. And from this field here, we can go ahead and we can find the work that we're looking for. In this particular case, I don't have it in my OneDrive. I'm actually going to be uploading it from my device. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click Upload from Device. From here, I'm going to look for the folder that I've been working out of, and it's going to be this OneDrive 1-4. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And then I'm looking for the homework assignment that I created. In this case, we're going to be looking for Amazon Rainforest Doc. From here, I double click on it, and you'll see that it's uploading it. From here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to click Done. Now, we're going to go ahead and assign the assignment some points. This particular assignment is going to be worth 25 points. Now, from this page, we can actually choose to assign it to the multiple sections that we're teaching. In this case, I'm going to just leave it to the default Physical Sciences. But if you're teaching multiple sections of the same course, instead of having to go through these each time, all you have to do is under this Assign To section, we're going to click on this little picture right here, and it's going to give us a drop-down menu of all the classes we're teaching. And so I'm going to go ahead and if I was teaching multiple sections from here, I could just go ahead and click on that, and it would add multiple sections. So that's going to look something like this. And now we've assigned 2 classes to it, and it tells you that right now. We can also choose our due date. So for this particular assignment, we're going to make it due next Wednesday. From here, we're going to say that it's due at midnight, which is totally great. Now, if you perhaps want to load your assignments in ahead of time and have the system schedule that out for you so it automatically assigns your students homework, the best thing to do is to create the assignment just like we have, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to click Edit. Let's say I don't want this assignment to be available until Monday. I'm going to click this checkbox right here that says Schedule to assign in the future. And then I'm going to give it the date that I want it to assign. So let's say we're going to cover this on Monday, and I want this to be available at the end of the day on Monday. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on that date, and I'm going to say I want this to be available later in the day. Let's say we're going to make it available at 3 o'clock for our students. We're going to keep the due date the same. And then this close date right here allows you to have students turn in the homework late. If we don't want them to turn in the homework late, we're going to go ahead and click this close date. So perhaps I have it due on Wednesday, but the students can still hand it in up until Friday for half credit. So now you see I have it posting on Monday, April 6th, then it's due on Wednesday the 8th, and students can turn it in late up until Friday, April 10th. From here, we're going to go ahead and click Done, and then we're going to go ahead and click Assign. Now, this is going to be sitting in the assigned queue waiting to go. If we look at this list here, these are all of the assignments we have for our students. And we're going to take a look and we're going to see Rainforest is here. It is due April 8th, and it has not been handed out, so it's going to say scheduled. And that is how you assign your homework in Microsoft Teams. Next, we're going to take a look at how to do assignments as far as tests and quizzes.